Hey, what's up guys? Alec here, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you the secret mindset of millionaires. If you're looking to unlock financial success, this is the video for you. So, what is the secret mindset of millionaires? Well, it all starts with a shift in perspective. You see, millionaires don't think about money the same way that most people do. They don't see it as a limited resource that's hard to come by. Instead, they see it as a tool that can be used to create more value in the world. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the specific mindset shifts that you need to make in order to start thinking like a millionaire. We'll cover everything from the power of positive thinking to the importance of taking calculated risks. But before we dive in, I want to remind you that this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's going to take hard work, dedication, and persistence to achieve financial success. But if you're willing to put in the effort and adopt the right mindset, there's no limit to what you can achieve. These steps are based on years of research and experience, and they're guaranteed to work if you follow them. Step 1. Set your goals. The first step to achieving financial success is to set clear and specific goals. What do you want to achieve? How much money do you want to make? Write down your goals and keep them in a place where you can see them every day. Step 2. Create a plan. Once you've set your goals, it's time to create a plan to achieve them. Break your goals down into smaller, more manageable tasks, and create a timeline for each one. Step 3. Take action. The most important step in achieving financial success is to take action. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you. Go out and create them yourself. Take calculated risks, and don't be afraid to fail. Step 4. Learn from your mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes, but the key to success is to learn from them. Don't dwell on your failures. Instead, use them as learning opportunities and make adjustments to your plan. Step 5. Stay focused and consistent. Finally, the key to achieving financial success is to stay focused and consistent. Don't give up when things get tough, and don't get distracted by shiny objects. Stay true to your goals and your plan, and success will come. So there you have it, the 5 simple steps to unlock the secret to financial success. If you follow these steps, I guarantee you'll be on your way to achieving your dreams in no time. So, if you're ready to unlock financial success and start thinking like a millionaire, let's get started. Thanks for watching.